Today we're unboxing the Royal Enfield Black Large Sump Guard. A genuine, heavy-duty aluminum accessory for the 650 twins. Let's open the box and see what is inside. Straight out of the box, this feels solid and heavy-duty. The Sump Guard is made from high-grade brushed and anodized aluminum alloy with a clean black finish. It comes with complete set of mounting options with front and side mounting brackets. It also comes with metal spacers, washers and bolts. So yes, everything required for installation is included. This isn't just about looks. It uses rubber-isolated mounting points, which helps reduce vibrations transferred to the frame. This is the old Sump Guard which I used for 6 years. The new Sump Guard has a scrambler-inspired design, offering excellent coverage for the engine and frame rails. Compared to the OEM Sump Guard from early Interceptor 650, this one is slightly larger, offers better protection, has rounded edges for a cleaner, premium finish. The centered Royal Enfield logo keeps the OEM look subtle and classy. Installation is straightforward. Bolt it onto the factory mounting points using the supplied brackets and rubber mounts. Loosely tighten everything first, align the guard properly, and then torque it down evenly. Can be done easily at home or at any Royal Enfield service center. Overall, this Royal Enfield Black Large Sump Guard is a solid upgrade. It's available in both black and silver, so you can pick what suits your bike best. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe to Gadget Wheelz, and I'll see you in the next video.